How is it going everybody, Mr. Android here. Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. As many of you might already know, Samsung have recently paused the One UI 7 update because of a very serious bug. Users with the official version of One UI 7 installed on their phones found that they were not able to unlock their phones normally. Now this looks like a serious bug which forced Samsung to pause the update for the remaining countries. But today we have got some great news for all Samsung users. Tarun on Twitter posted that Samsung has resumed the One UI 7 rollout with a new build in Korea. So finally, it looks like they were able to fix the issue and already resumed the One UI 7 update for the S24 users. Ice Universe also confirmed that the bug has been fixed, and now Samsung has again started rolling out the One UI 7 update for the users in Korea. Now since they have resumed the update in Korea, users in the United States, Germany, UK and other European countries can expect to receive the new build by early next week. And for India and other Asian countries, we can expect the update to arrive in the 3rd or 4th week of April. Guys, Samsung has officially announced the One UI 7 schedule for the Indian users, and in order to check when your Samsung phone will receive this major One UI 7 update, all you have to do is just install the Samsung Members application from the Play Store. Once done, simply open the app, go to the announcement section. Here you will see a brand new notification from Samsung regarding the One UI 7 rollout plan. Simply go inside and see yourself when your device will get the official One UI 7 update. So that's pretty much it for this video. I'm really happy that Samsung was able to fix the bug and already resumed the rollout in just a couple of days. Now hopefully we'll be getting the update on the scheduled time. Since a lot of you keep asking about the One UI 7, I'm making regular videos regarding this. But if you still have any questions, then do let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely help you out. That's pretty much it for this video. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I am Mr. Android and I'll see you guys in the next one.